All right, this is the lecture on dilutive securities and compensation plans, which compensation plans use diluted securities. Um, Here are the topics we're going to cover. So let me just say dilutive securities essentially are securities that are going to dilute ownership. So they have the potential or will in fact result in more shares being issued. All right. Um, so we're going to talk about convertible debt and convertible preferred stock, which both follow the book value method. All right, and then we're going to talk about debt with a detachable and non-detachable warrant. So warrant is just another word for option. So a warrant is a call option. That's an option to buy in the company's own stock. So if they issue the option, they refer to it as a warrant. It's kind of like when the company buys its own stock, you call it treasury stock. So it's still stock, it just has a special name. It's still an option, but it's called a warrant. Detachable and a non-detachable. Detachable means you can sell the warrant separately. Non-detachable means you can only sell the bond with the warrant. So the warrant has to be exercised apart from or as part of its ownership. Okay, and those are accounted for differently under U.S. GAAP. Then we're going to talk about stock option compensation. This is when the corporation has a stock option grant, and we're going to just go over the situations. A normal case is all options vest, and then all vested options are exercised. Forfeiture case, some options are forfeited. That means the executive leaves the corporation before they've vested in the options, and they forfeit their right to own the options. And the last thing we have to deal with is what happens to stock options and stock option compensation when those options expire worthless. All right. If you haven't done so already, you want to go do the call option. I call it a mini case. It's not a full blown case write up, but you do have to pick your own company. Pick your own company, not Coca Cola. Um, that will give you an idea of what the options are about. All right, just in terms of the contractual features of options and how the payoffs work. Um, so if you've done that, you've got more than enough preparation to do stock option compensation. All right, in the next video, we'll start getting into examples.